Look again at the dot. That's here. That's home. That's us on it. Everyone you love, everyone you know, everyone you ever heard of, every human being who ever was lived out their lives, the aggregate of joy and suffering, thousands of confident religions, ideologies, and economic doctrines, every hunter and forager, every hero and coward, every creator and destroyer of our civilization, every king and peasant, every young couple in love, every mother and father, hopeful child, inventor and explorer, every teacher of morals, every corrupt politician, every superstar, every supreme leader, every saint and sinner in the history of our species lived there on a mote of dust suspended in a sunbeam. The earth is a very small stage in a vast cosmic arena. Think of the rivers of blood split by all those generals and emperors so that in glory and triumph they could become the momentary master of fraction of a dot. Think of the endless cruelties visited by the inhabitants of one corner of this pixel on the scarcely distinguishable inhabitants of one other corner. How frequent their misunderstandings, how eager they are to kill one another, how fervent their haters. Our posturing, our imagined self-importance are delusions that we have some privileged position in the universe are challenged by point of a light. Our planet is a lonely speck in a great enveloping cosmic dark. In our obscurity, in all this vastness, there's no hint that help will come from elsewhere to save us from ourselves. The earth is the only bird known so far to harbor life. There's nowhere else, at least in the near future, to our species to migrate. Visit? Yes. Settle? Not yet. Like it on far, for the moment of the earth is where we make our stand. It has been said that astronomy is a humbling and character building experience. Therein perhaps no better demonstration of the folly of human concept that this distance image of our tiny bird. To me, it underscores our responsibility to deal more kindly with one another and to preserve and cherish the pale blue dot, the only home we have ever known.